Hello guys, welcome to today's video, and in today's video I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to create a MaxWeb account. Okay, over the past few weeks we've been getting some questions from our audience and viewers that okay, how can we create a MaxWeb account, because ClickBank isn't available for so many countries, like it is restricted in those countries, and yet some people will still want to do affiliate marketing. They want to promote this high selling product, but they don't know how to go about it. So doing affiliate marketing, there are so many platforms you can join to do affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is not ClickBank. ClickBank is just a platform where you can pick this product to grow. So another top affiliate network out there is MaxWeb. But the process of signing up with MaxWeb, that is what I'm about to review to you today in this video. Now, if you're new to my channel, my name is 𝗢𝗂𝗥𝗲𝗱𝗱 and today I'm going to be your guide. If you find massive value or you find value in this video, kindly take just 1 second of your time to smash this subscribe button, like this video, and also share it with your friends, which is the current video which you're currently watching. Okay, on our channel, we share tips on digital marketing, web design, how to make money online, and affiliate marketing or internet marketing in general. So always make sure to come back to our channel to check out our new and latest video. That's why we're asking you, or we're pleading with you, to subscribe to our channel. So as soon as we upload new videos, because we try as much as possible to upload at least a video every single week, so that when we upload this new video, you'll be the first to get notified on YouTube that we've uploaded this video, so that you'll be the first to also get this tip and strategy we are sharing with you for that week. Okay, so let's dive straight into the video for today. Now, in order to create a MaxWeb account, what you need to do is to come to Google and type MaxWeb. Now, as you can see here, this is an ad from MaxWeb. So you can either click on this, or you can save them some money to click on this one here, so it will still take you to the same place. Okay, so once the page loads, you'll be brought to the home page of MaxWeb. So this is the home page of the affiliate network called MaxWeb. Now, all you have to do on this home page, you can read more about it here, or then you can click on this one which says become an affiliate. Now, once this page loads, all you need to do is to scroll down here, so you can see this form here, and on this form, all you have to do is just enter your details. So here, where you have this Skype username, it is very important. If you don't have a Skype account, kindly go ahead to create a new Skype account, because for you to create a new Skype account, you need to have an Outlook, that is an Outlook mail. They have a Gmail, they have Outlook. So you need to have, because Skype is owned by Microsoft. So, and within the Microsoft network, they use Outlook. So you need to create an Outlook account, then go ahead to create a new Skype account, because it is very easy to own a Skype account. Okay, so once you create the Skype account, inside your Skype account, then you can even do a small Google search on how to copy your Skype username. So once you copy your Skype username, just paste it into this page. Why? Because it is very important, because MaxWeb doesn't work like ClickBank, whereby you just go to the form there, register for the form, and immediately you just get an account instantly. No, MaxWeb doesn't work like that. What MaxWeb does is that once you fill this form, they're going to put you into a wait list. So on that wait list now, they're going to send you an email immediately that, okay, this is your affiliate manager. You need to contact your affiliate manager. So now you can either contact your affiliate manager through Skype, or they will be the one to contact you if your username you put here is correct. But in either case, you don't need to also wait for them to contact you. Once they give you the address to contact the affiliate manager on the email that you get after filling this form here, kindly message the affiliate manager. So they are going to ask you some series of questions there. Maybe how much you've made, have you done affiliate marketing before? Like, send them some screenshots on your earnings in maybe one of the affiliate networks you've partner with before. If you have some reference, like maybe other people who who can vouch for you that okay, you're actually a good affiliate, because MaxWeb doesn't want any kind of affiliate to join their platform. Now you can use me as a reference. You can use my channel. You can use my channel name as a reference, or my name Precious as a reference. So that is just it. So if they ask you for an email, because they will ask you for the reference email. So if they ask you for the reference email, you can just give them, what is the email I used there? Okay, just give them this email, because this is the email I use there on MaxWeb. So maybe they can talk to me if they want to. So this is the email here. You can see I'm using an Outlook email because I created a Skype account with it. So just give them this email, because this is the email connected to my MaxWeb account. give them this email and my name Precious. So they will know that actually I was the one that referred you to MaxWeb, so that it will increase your potential of getting an account with MaxWeb. And please, when you get an account with MaxWeb, treat it like gold. Don't go ahead to do shady things with your account, because if you do shady things with your account, MaxWeb is going to ban you. And one of the reasons why I love MaxWeb over ClickBank is MaxWeb has massive support. Like, their support is fantastic. When you have an issue, or maybe you're having problem with your promotion, you don't know what to do, or you're looking for the high convert or the highest converting offer on MaxWeb, or offers that are converting on MaxWeb that you want to spend your money on or your time on promoting, you can talk with your affiliate manager at any time of the day, and they're going to respond to you as soon as they see your message, and also guide you or give you tip on which offers are converting. So that's why I love MaxWeb. So just go ahead to fill this form here. Let's say, for instance, I'll just put some random name here. Let me just put it like this here. Then for password, just put a password here. A password that is very safe. Just put it here, and something you won't tell someone. Now, once you're done with that, just click on next here. Now it will ask you how you're going to promote this product. Now you need to be careful, because they say first impression matters. Because MaxWeb is actually going to read this thing. So you don't just say, okay, maybe you just fill the form and they won't read it. No, they're going to read it. They're asking you, how do you intend to promote their product? Now, what you're going to write is, you just type, I plan. Okay, so you can just write this here. Then it will ask you your traffic channel. Traffic channel, you've already mentioned it here. Just put it here. Just put Google ads here. You can also put Facebook ads here. You can put TikTok ads if you want to. You can also put native, because native is, MaxWeb is very good. Their offer converts very well on native ad. So you can put native ad there. Then to ask you approximately how much are you willing to spend to drive traffic to these offers. So you just hype yourself. Just hype yourself here. You can just put $10,000 plus here, because I believe one day you still get to this point in spending $10,000 on an offer or promoting offers on any network at all. So just hype yourself, put $10,000 here. Then to ask you to put your website URL, it is very important. That's why I always tell people, if you want to do any form of affiliate marketing at all, always own a website. Always own a website. If you don't know, let me tell you, it doesn't need to be a website. A blog is very important. Have a blog, because a blog is going to bring you money. And it is one of the requirements that these networks, forget ClickBank. ClickBank is just easy for anybody to sign up. That's why you see millions of people flocking to ClickBank to promote ClickBank. And that's why you see ClickBank is kind of oversaturated. But these other affiliate networks I see here, these things are just like gold mine, whereby not many affiliates are here promoting these offers, but these offers on this platform convert very well. So when you join these secret affiliate networks and you start promoting these offers here, that is when you start seeing enough return on your investment, because it's just like you're in a green ocean or a blue ocean. Like, there are not many affiliates there. So when you spend maybe $1,000 or even $500 to promote an offer, at least you're guaranteed or sure to make a good return on your investment. That's why I say, when you look up here, there's a video here. It is a 3-hour video. Sit down and watch this video till the end. Watch how I took you from beginner to advanced to create a very advanced blog. Follow that video. Create your own blog. If you don't have a blog, you need a blog, because in one of our videos in the future, I will show you how to populate this your blog. In the video currently, we showed you how to add blog posts there, but I'm going to show you how to add good, high quality affiliate blog posts there on your blog, so that you can start earning money. This is passive income that you'll be earning with that blog. So for now, it is a requirement. You need to have a website. A website can be a blog. You understand? So watch that video. It is I took my time to create this video for you. So go to that video, watch that video on how to build a blog. When you learn how to build a blog, then you build your blog. Then get your domain name, because every website on the internet has a domain name, just like MaxWeb here. It has its own, it says maxweb.com. So copy your own domain name, then paste it into this page, because MaxWeb is going to visit your domain. These things is not hard to do. Within a day, you can set up all these things. Because don't see affiliate marketing as a side hustle. Don't see it that way, because if you see it that way, you're going to struggle with it. See it as a real business, even though you have a normal 9 to 5, but see it as a real business in such a way that maybe when you have a free time in the night, you can actually treat it as a business that it is, because that is the only way it can actually bring you the kind of money you're wishing or hoping for it to bring you. Okay, so just when you get that domain name after building your blog using that video, then paste it into this place here. Let's say, for instance, I'll just paste this here. Okay, so once you do this, then it will actually, I remember I told you, it will actually industry reference. So for industry reference, you can just type name, you can just type Precious here. Then for Skype ID, okay, for Skype ID, let me get my Skype ID so that I can give you my Skype ID so that I can also give it to them when they ask for it. So let me just go and copy my Skype ID. Okay, so I just opened up Skype now. Now, let me just show you the process of getting the Skype ID. Now, let's say, for instance, you've created your Skype account. You have a Skype account. You log into your Skype account. So now what you need to do is just click on this here, your profile here, your profile picture there. Then you see manage here. So you see Skype profile. So just click on it here. Now you can see Skype name. So here, where you see this ID, this live, so just copy this here. This is your Skype ID. So you just copy it, or you can click on copy, whichever one you choose. Then you come back here. You just, your own form there. So just, but this is mine. So you can copy mine here to just put it. So you put comma here. Then what's the next thing there? Then my email. So this is my email here. Okay. So this is one of it here. Then probably you can find any other one there. But you don't need to have to. You understand? But yeah, what you can just do is you can still put my name again. Just put my name again there. Then you repeat the same process. You copy and paste the same thing here, because they're still going to message you. So once they message you, you just answer the questions they're going to ask you, which is the questions I mentioned earlier about if you've done affiliate marketing before, how much you've made, some screenshot of your dashboard, all this kind of stuff. So when you finish this form, just click on submit. So that is just how to create a MaxWeb account. So once you click on submit, maybe after some few minutes, they're going to send you an email. So on that email, they might send you the affiliate manager's Skype profile there, so that you can talk to them on Skype there. Or probably if your details is correct here, they are also going to message you. So from there, just start up the conversation with them and ensure that anything you're telling them is true. Don't give them any false information, because actually you're going to be making money with this platform. And when you make money, your money will be on this platform before they send it over to you. So if you go and give them a false details, also when they're trying to transfer the money, to look like they're transferring the money to fraud now, so they might suspend or ban your account and not give you the money. So you need to give them true details here. So this is just how to create a MaxWeb account. Now, if you're looking for a proven online business to start right now, check out the link in my description to download my free blueprint that is going to walk you through on how to create an affiliate marketing business promoting high ticket affiliate product that people are already searching for to buy online. Now, you don't need to do customer service. You don't need to call any client. You don't need to create the product by yourself. You're just marketing high ticket, high converting affiliate product that is going to be earning you high ticket commissions up to like $1,000 and above. So if you're interested in that, check out the link to download my free blueprint right now. Now, if you found massive value or you found value in this video, don't forget to just take 1 second of your time before you leave this video. Smash this subscribe button, like this video, share it with your friends. Now, if there is a video, because this specific video topic I'm making right now, it was one of our subscribers that asked for it. So if there is a video you want us to create for you, maybe you want us to show you on how to do something, because I know it is going to also be valuable to so many other people, but we want to just hear from you, because we want to create actually what you want, because we're here to serve you. Okay, so if there's something you don't understand also in this video, or there's a topic you want us to share more light on, use the comment box below. Tell us what you want. You understand? Tell us what you want, and we're going to take our time, look through the comment to see and answer the questions first, then see the video recommendations that you're giving us, and also we're going to take our time to create these videos for you, because we're here to serve you. Now, once you finish creating your MaxWeb account and you've created your MaxWeb account, you've gotten access, they've given you access to this account. Now, if you want to learn how to promote those products on MaxWeb, because the product on MaxWeb and ClickBank, it's just the same, it's similar. So check out our channel to see so many videos we've created in the past, showing you how step by step on how to promote this product using either free traffic or paid traffic. So as you can see this current video on my screen here, it shows you how to promote ClickBank product. So just replace ClickBank with MaxWeb product using free Pinterest app. So we have so many videos on our channel showing you how to do all this. So make sure to check out our channel to see videos on how to promote those offers so that you don't struggle in promoting this product, and also helps you earn commissions very fast. Now, if you found value in this video, I want to thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you in one of our next video.